So I thought the last time we had snow and then it melted, that was it. And I uncovered our spinach. So now I need to cover them again because it's snowing again. It's almost May, but it's snowing again. So I'm going to hope that this is going to be enough and it's not going to blow away, because I'm definitely not prepared this time. Oh, there you go. It'll just fit. Yes! I love it when things like that happen. Okay guys, I'm gonna go close the greenhouse and the full frame and take the dog for a walk. See you guys later. Well, it's a good thing we didn't pack away our winter stuff yet, because winter is not through with us yet. Did you find a stick, Wellington? Here, Wellington, stick, here. There you go. Let's go. He's always looking for a better stick. Well, he doesn't seem to mind the weather. Well, early spring, late winter, I don't think you can decide. The other day we were out in a shirt, now we're back to our winter boots and winter boot coats. I'm not sure what I think of it yet. I'm just hoping it's going soon. This is why you don't plant earlier than June in our area, unless it's going to be some hardy greens. And let's hope that spinach and lettuce that I planted out is hardy. So So it's been a little over a week since we had the snowstorm. I thought I would shoot a quick update on how things did before I uploaded the video. So one thing I have to say about this spinach is both varieties have been super hardy through all the storm. They've had 2 snows on them. We had a heavy frost again this morning and they weren't covered at all. And they've done really well. They all looked fantastic, of course, until my puppy decided to jump into the bed and step on some of them. But before that, even our smallest transplants had done really well. And I don't think that even one plant had looked bad off until they got stepped on. And they're even starting to bounce back. So who knows, maybe they'll all come back from that. But the lettuce, on the other hand, did not fare as well. I think maybe like 11 or 12 plants have managed to survive. They're not looking so wonderful, but they're at least alive, so they made it through the snowstorm. Unfortunately, the row cover came off, and it may have even been part of the demise. I maybe should have just left it and seen, because it ended up on top of some of the plants with all the wind and snow. So definitely the spinach was hardier and did better. Our spinach that we grew in the cold frame did not germinate as well as the stuff that's in the house. So from now on, I think my plan is going to be to make sure we have some nice early spinach sown in the house, so that as soon as the ground can be worked out here in these raised beds, I'm definitely going to plant out spinach because it is just so hardy. So until next time, may God help you find those hidden blessings all around you.